Hi my favorite people, welcome to the world of fully hooded eye makeup. If you look straight and your eyelid is completely covered, and your outer corners are downturned, you're watching the right video. Let's dive right in and glam up our hooded eyes for Christmas Eve. I'm gonna show you an matte and sparkly version. As always, for all my tutorials, I'm using my own brand Happy Eyelids, brand that is perfect for hooded eyes and beyond, of course. I'm feeling the dusty rose vibe, so I'm mixing medium brown and bubblegum, and you do you and go with just brown if you like. Starting off with flat blender, relax your face, look straight, give those outer corners a slapdash performance. Apply like you don't care. Oh, you'll love it so far, don't you? Now blend out with a clean tapered brush. If you're using my brushes and cream shadows, you'll feel the magic. Everything works together like a dream team. Always set it with translucent powder. Always. And before you apply it, fix the creasing. Apply generously and onto your eyelids. And blend out the edges around your eyes so it can look flawless and give it kind of like an airbrush effect. Next step is mascara, and I'm using L'Oreal Telescopic. It makes beautiful lashes, but I still don't recommend like 100% because tubing mascara still wins. Always hold your brows up to get full access to the lash roots and keep those forehead wrinkles at bay. For balanced eye look, always apply mascara on the bottom lashes too, because also it makes your eyes look larger. Even at this stage, already looks good. Natural and soft. But tonight, we are not about everyday makeup. That's why get those lash clusters. Divide size 13 into 2 pieces for precision. Never start at the very outer corner. Best spot for the first lash is 80-75% of the eye length. Let me show you the spot one more time. Here it is. Tight line with gel liner and angled eyeliner brush. Hope you have them because they work perfectly together. Now get a bullet brush and a bit of brown gel liner or eyeshadow base, also in brown. Line your lash line, then with the leftovers, look straight and shape your outer V. This is the easiest smudged eyeliner effect you can ever imagine. And the most important rule is do not go lower than the ascending direction of the lower lash line. I love this makeup technique so much. It's so effortless, almost effortless. Oh, and because it's just a leftover, so it's a very minimum amount of product, it's gonna stay perfect. No creasing at all. And you can leave it matte, but I'm throwing some celebration on my eyelids. I want to shine brighter than my Christmas tree. So I'm using my beloved duochrome sparkles in saffron. It's so soft and creates such beautiful, impactful, kind of like a wet effect. Ooh, dang, so gorgeous! Tell me, what do you think? Have you tried them? Using flat definer brush and white eyeshadow base, and you can definitely use nude as well. Last touch-ups, just want to make sure that I give myself a foxy eye look. And also it's a good reason to show you more close-ups so you can kind of see how it looks in real life. And now let's compare, because it's always so interesting to see the difference. With leftovers on the angled eyeliner brush, I just line my inner corner. It's very optional step, but I like it. Okay, now let's see one more time, and then boom. So here's matte version and sparkly. Tell me, what do you think? Which side do you prefer? Are you going to recreate this makeup? Or maybe you have different makeup style in your mind. Please share which one, so I also can get inspired and create some more tutorials for you based on that makeup ideas. Also, let me show you one more time how I'm doing the other eye, so you'll be able to understand this technique better. Just a kind reminder that all my products and brushes are vegan and cruelty free, and these beautiful sparkles are fallout free, which I'm very proud of. It's hybrid, it's half creamy, so it's truly amazing. And now cherry on the top to feel 100% like a fancy super babe. I'm applying matte lipstick by Valentino in mauve. This is my favorite shade. And the mini bullet brush does an amazing job with lip makeup. It just makes my lips look flawless. It's so versatile. It's such a mighty brush. I can't imagine makeup kit without a bullet brush. Like, I can't. Please don't forget to share this tutorial with your hooded eye besties. Okay, I'm ready to celebrate and hope you are too. Have a fabulous time. And remember, you're awesome. Thank you so much for watching and for your continued support. I love you. And of course, you've got this, babe.